Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you or I'm going to answer you if you can merge multiple Cash App account or not. For that, go to browser and then type can you have more than one Cash App account and then select or type Hub Pages. Now hit the search icon, scroll down and click on the first link. Now you can read this blog for yourself. Like if you don't know how to create a Cash App account, go ahead. If you want to know how to create a second Cash App account, they also give a detail with YouTube channel as well. And now today's question is, how do you merge Cash App accounts? So if you find that you do want to merge your Cash App accounts together, it is actually pretty easy to do. For that, open the Cash App and then tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap on Cash Support and then select something else. Next, you have to choose accounts and then merge accounts. Next, you have to enter the username and password for both accounts. And next or lastly, select the merge accounts. Note that you will only be able to merge accounts that have the same phone numbers or email address associated with them. And here's what you shouldn't do. It is actually against Cash App terms of service to perform a cash advance from one account to another using your credit card. Doing so may result in account closure, so be sure to avoid this. In general, just be careful not to break any Cash App rules and you should be good to go. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.